Chef Scott here, and I have an incredibly easy cucumber salad. Very few ingredients. I often eat this as a snack. Go ahead and chop up your cucumber. Put it into a bowl. Let's chop up some more cucumber. So simple, so simple. Even I can do this. Let's put more into the bowl. The reason why I eat this is because I love the flavors. I can't, and it's so strange because, you know, I have said I don't like foods that are really too spicy. It does not work for me. I want to taste my foods at the back of my throat. When it's spicy, that's where I want the spice to come in. I don't want it in front where I can't taste anything for 3 or 4 days. So, cucumber. Let's do a little bit of shallot, which is not necessary. All you need is the cucumber. And let's see what else. Okay, so we're going to put some lemon juice on here. And I have some Chinese chili garlic sauce. And I'm going to put a little bit in there. This is really, you can use Sriracha, by the way. I prefer Chinese chili garlic sauce. It is really spicy. And at least, again, for me, it's really spicy. So, mix it together. Let's add a little bit of salt in here. The salt also helps the cucumbers release some of their juices. You won't believe, you know, generally if you see a cucumber salad, it tends to be more Mediterranean. This is not. And unbelievable as it may seem, this salad is done. You asked me about measuring. You put in the amount of spicy sauce that you yourself prefer. I'm going to put in a little bit more. That might be too much for me. And you're done. I love it when something comes together this easy. I don't think there's anything else I can tell you about it today. There you go. Thanks.